Hi guys! How's everybody doing today? Happy holiday and prosperous New Year to each and every one of you. And welcome to my vlogs. I'm your host, Levis Mendoza. Ngayong araw na ito or today, magluluto tayo ng ampalaya. Simple dish to make but very healthy. They call it ampalaya con carne with black beans. Ganun pa man, tayo na sa kusina at lutuin na natin to. Whoops! Bago tayo mag-umpisa, can I get one share, subscribe, and please leave a comment below. Until then, let's go! The bitter melon for at least 20 minutes to reduce some of the bitterness. Garlic. Add the black beans. Make sure you mash them up a bit. Let's add the canola seasoning. After 5 minutes, baby's ready. Hey guys, thanks for tuning once again. I hope you enjoyed this video that I shared with you a while ago. How to cook ampalaya con carne with black bean sauce. I hope to see you guys again next time. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below para palagi update kayo sa aking mga vlogs. Till then, hope to see you guys and have a great day, each and every one of you, and God bless. Thank you.